everyone. My name is Maria Parysz, and I'm a creator of Kaggle Days and also Kaggle Days meetups, and also I'm a CEO of Logic AI and other AI companies. It's an absolute pleasure to be here and to be able to help you open this first meetup in Lahore. I'm super proud, not only that I'm here, but that I can do it. And most probably here on the stage together with me, three additional people are standing, the organizers. And I would like to say a big thank you. Because of you, we can be here. Tahir, thank you so much for organizing today's event. Tahir is also an expert in data science. So once again, creme de la creme of data scientists in your area. Today's meetup will be the first, but I hope it will be the first of many, many more. You will be able to learn and to listen to the best grandmasters in your region, but most probably not only. You'll be also inviting grandmasters and masters from across the globe, because our community is the largest community of data scientists in the world, which is more than 12 million people right now. So you can pick and choose and learn actually from the best. So if you are wondering, oh, did I do well that I came here today? I said this was the best decision you could make, because you are in the right place. I wish you all the best today. Once again, thank you to all the organizers, to our speakers, to sponsors. Thank you so much. You made it happen. To all the participants, I wish you all the best today. Have fun, because Kaggling, it's about fun. So stay well, and I do hope to see you very, very soon in person.